Today is no ordinary hike. It's day 2 heli hiking. I woke up this morning at 5 a.m. to this unreal view. I grabbed a paddleboard and drifted onto the most breathtaking sunrise. We flew deep into the mountains for today's adventure, the Via Ferrata. After clipping in the cables, we began our ascent, scaling exposed rock faces and sheer cliffs. At the top, we stopped for lunch before continuing the hike along the ridge. These sweeping views of the Rocky Mountains kept us in awe the entire hike. Halfway down, we came across a glacier-fed lake and couldn't resist the plunge. Follow for day 3.